Yep. So I think one of the main things we regret about the house is that my designer, my designer is very jialat eh.
I wanted cope like.
Oh yeah.
Then he said no.
Welcome to the second episode of Renodots Revisit. Today we're visiting a home done by the phenomenal a few years ago. Let's head inside and see what the homeowner has to say. Hello. We're from Renodots.
Just 667 square feet, but packed with big ideas. Designed for 2 humans and 4 very curious cats. This is compact living reimagined.
Thank you for letting us visit your home today. So I understand that it's been 4 years since you have moved in.
Yep.
So for the current lifestyle that you have right now, do you think that the concept of this home is actually outdated or is still actually well suited to your lifestyle?
I think it's very well suited. Even though it's been 4 years, it actually still feels like we just moved in. I think when we did the reno with Kev, I think we also thought through a lot about how we want to live in the house, and then we went through a lot of scenarios of where everything should be placed. So I think up to today it's still very relevant to us. With Kev's team, actually we had almost negligible, no issues whatsoever. Definitely there were some defects when we first moved in, but they came very quickly to rectify. I think within when we text Kev, within 1 or 2 days he will come down and rectify. So I think the thing we probably would regret is the flooring. So when we selected this flooring, we didn't realize that it would actually be a bit soft. So when we put heavy like furniture like the fridge, the washing machine, it actually leaves an indentation on the floor. Fantastic actually. Kev's workmanship is actually really very good. Like his team, you can see all the carpentry is straight, and all the gaps are also like spot on. So, and we are very particular people. So when we came in and we looked and said, actually there's not very many issues. We were very pleased. My designer, my designer is very jialat eh. He's even more engineer. Well, actually Kev is, I think, one of the best IDs we have met. So then at every stage of the reno, then he will prompt us on things that we need to purchase, things that needs to be delivered to him. He also keeps us very abreast of what the schedule is like, so that was really good. So our house is actually very small, I think you can also see. What was most important to us in our renovation was actually how versatile the house is. So we actually have quite a few hidden features in the house that we maybe can show you all later. We really had 4 cats. So we also wanted to make sure that even in small space, they also have their own space as well. So we brought up to the idea to Kev, like, can you put in some cat animals for us? So one of them is actually this cat tunnel. So they are able to run up and down this cat tunnel. We also managed to get to connect it to the outdoor space. So you can see that there are cat shelving on the outside for them. So they can run through the tunnel and they can also go out as well. There's also a cat tree here for them to climb and shelving for them to play on as well.
So this is where we can put our friends. It's also large enough for both of us to work from home. So this space is actually the space that we enjoy the most.
So when we work from home, our spare monitors are here, our laptops are here. We also have a gaming PC here as well. So all this works out really well for us.